So, yeah, my people, we there have to talk about a issue where, you know what I mean, a surf round for a motion of time and a period of time. Yeah, you don't know it's Reggae Vibes Media and it's your boy Grizzly Bear and my day I go and represent. So, yes, Derrick Morgan, Zin, yes, Derrick Morgan and Queen Ifrica, we there have to talk about. So, Derrick Morgan, I got sue Queen Ifrica to the thing looking up. Zin? So based on information, 83-year-old, you see me I say, singer Derrick Morgan, you see me I say, yeah man, come forward with the attorney at law, you see me I say, Charles Ganga-Singh. Zin? So the pursue legal action against, the daughter, Ventrice Latoya Morgan. So you don't know, Queen Ifrica, you know what I mean, did say, raping going in her life. And it did start right there so. Then, so, it's a serious allegation that, yeah man, tougher than the tough singer. So, when you know what I mean, Queen Ifrica, good artist, you know what I mean, good reggae artist, conscious artist, sing whole heap of music, positive vibration. But we are talking about the affairs, presently what is occurring. And me I say, this is not what I am saying. Then, this our agwan. This are one of the topic them. We are going to be one of the booming some of them. Then, within the world. Because this is Queen Ifrica and that is Derrick Morgan. Then, so like, subscribe, also share if you haven't already. Then, because you don't know where they have to go into the information. Yeah man, hit the notification bell so you get all of the latest updates and uploads. Then, but I don't want to see all live video them, with Queen Ifrica upon her live and she vent and express herself. You know what I mean? And then prior to her go on in a society with the little youth them and the girl them and the woman them and how the man them are behave. You see me and say, yeah, venting go on. But remember the social media is a different type of place. Because once you say something, and who you say it about, I got ear say you did say it and see say you did say it. And it's up to them if they want to address you. You know what I say? Or whatever, because whole heap of allegations you hear go around, whole heap of things you hear say. You know what I say? I can't say allegation. I can't say a true, I can't say a false. She have fear experiences, because she fear experience them. I can't say nothing about her experience them. I don't know what she go through, but she express it to the world. Zane, Derrick Morgan come forward. I don't know if I drop the general and what, but him come forward and him talk about the thing. And I know the must you are going to panda side there. Zane, because nothing hide nowadays, Nothing hide nowadays. Yeah, people, remember that song, yeah? That song, yeah? Paranoid. Yeah. Paranoid by J. Shepherd. Yeah, man, check out that something there. Submit tunes. Yeah, man. Get with it, you see me? If you want your song promotions and them type of something there, yeah. Get with that submit tune there. J. Shepherd, Paranoid. Yeah. Hot song. All social media platforms. It dead. Derrick Morgan. Man, rise up him liar right now. So things look serious. You know what I mean? So is at hand. I'm not talking about the girls so. Yeah. That's something there where when you and somebody have a little altercation and you know what I say, you don't want to take it to another level than try to get the laugh to deal with it. Because this is it's either tarnish to my career or you try to put me down in the eyes of the people. You want me to be seen in a different light. So I swear, The 83-year-old can't deal with that right now. The great Derrick Morgan, yeah man. Zin, so Ventrice Morgan, great artist. Queen Ifrica, yeah, is a thing. You know what I mean? In front of the judge and sitting. So, the truth have to come out. Yeah man. Yeah man, when I darkness have to come to your light, you know, that them say, you know. So, yeah, it's time for it. So people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear. Beer vibes, they hear me talk. Reggae vibes, they hear me talk. One media, the world media. And I'm out.